Hey everyone, and welcome to Plugins video series. In this video, I will show you how to control location selection and location switching behavior in WooCommerce using multi-location product and inventory management. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Location Manage, then click on Settings. Now open User Experience and scroll down to User Experience Settings panel. Here you will find options that control how customers interact with locations while shopping. The first option is Require Location Selection. When Require Location Selection is enabled, this means customers must select a location before adding product to cart, viewing location-specific stock, and seeing location-based pricing, then proceed to checkout. If no location is selected, a pop-up or modal appears asking the customers to choose one. Until then, the Add to Cart button may be disabled and product pages won't show location-based details. This prevents accidental shopping without a location, avoids incorrect stock visibility, and ensures pricing stays accurate. When Require Location Selection is disabled, customers can browse products without selecting a location. In this case, the system may use the default location, automatic detection, or global fallback inventory depending on your setup. However, this can lead to inconsistent inventory or pricing unless it's carefully configured. Now let's define what happens when a customer switches location while shopping. With Preserve Cart enabled, all products remain in the cart when the customer switches locations regardless of the availability. Even if some items are unavailable in the new location, they will stay in the cart. This helps maintain the customer's shopping intent and allows flexibility before checkout. When Update Cart is enabled, the system automatically removes products that are not available in the new location. This ensures accurate inventory handling and avoids order issues. Or if you enable Prompt User, customers are asked before updating their cart when switching locations. They can choose to keep their current cart or update it based on the new location. This gives customers full control and prevents unexpected cart changes. You can also enable location change notification to inform customers whenever they switch location. When enabled, the system displays a notification and updates the cart based on your selected behavior. If Allow Missed Location cart is enabled, the cart will not be automatically updated when the customer changes location. In this case, no update or notification will be shown and the customers can keep products from multiple locations in the same cart. So these settings give you full control over how cart behavior responds to location changes, ensuring a balance between flexibility and accuracy. With the right location selection and switching behavior, you ensure a smooth shopping experience and error-free order fulfillment. Thanks for watching. Check the documentation link in the description for more advanced configuration.